Hi lads, in this video I'm going to go through how to do activity 5.28 and activity 5.29 on page 45 of your graphic solutions booklet. First, on activity 5.28 is asking you to draw an interior tangent to the given circles. So this is very similar to the last method you have learned how to draw a tangent to, or an exterior tangent to two circles. First thing you do is you connect your centres, you then bisect that line. So you can see so far everything is very similar to what we've been doing for the previous method for an exterior tangent. After that, we connect the 2 points together. Then draw our semicircle. After that, what you would have done the last time is you would have taken the radius of the smaller circle and stepped it inside the circumference of the bigger circle. What you do this time though for an internal tangent is you take the radius of the smaller circle, so that distance there, and this time instead of stepping it inside the circumference, we're going to step it on the outside. And then we swing our arc. And remembering, just like last time, where the new circle you've drawn, so I haven't drawn the full thing, just partial bit of it there, where that new circle hits the semicircle, we're going to connect the centre to that point there, and that's going to be our normal. Only for normal there, we can use sliding set squares, so I'm just going to use my T-square. And we draw a parallel line, and there's our second normal there. And that's going to give us our point of contact there for the tangent, and our other point of contact there for the tangent. Therefore, we're drawing an internal tangent, goes in between the two circles. So make sure you put in your notes and instructions from the video I would have uploaded yesterday as well there on how to do it step by step. And just one more thing on that, just put colour to show my measurements again. So I'm saying that I took that distance in orange there and I added it on to the circumference there. I'll just call that R, and R there for radius. And that's how to do an internal tangent. So the next question is actually applying that to something. So it tells us the graphic of a pulley system is given and a partial drawing of the pulley is also given. Complete the drawing by locating the interior tangent between the circles. So we're drawing this interior tangent here in between two circles, the big one and the small one above. So first thing, connect your centres. So same idea again. We then bisect that. Taking a distance greater than halfway and swinging an arc each side of the line at both end points. Connect the two together and draw your semicircle. And then once again, let's extend this out a bit further. Take it across this way in case it goes off the page slightly. We take the radius of the smaller circle, so that distance there, and we apply it to the outside of the larger circle. So showing there that distance once again there in orange. That distance there. So kept the exact same. And we then swing our larger circle then. So I'm just going to swing it to where it hits the semicircle. So where it hits the 2 points there and there. So between the new arc you've drawn and the semicircle, we connect that. And that line there is going to be our normal. and then what we need to do is use sliding set squares to actually find it in the one above. So there's our centre there. There's our normal once again. So our point of contact is going to be here and here, and we're only going to draw our line, our tangent, in between them two only. We're not going to extend it out because it shows in the question here, once it hits it, it goes back around out this way then. And for this question you don't actually have to draw that line there at all. And that completes that question there. So hopefully that video helps anybody who would have been stuck on how to do them two questions.